In yesterday class, we had been seen chopper fed DC drives. Okay, chopper word says DC supply, which is converted into another mode of DC supply. That means fixed DC supply, which is converted into variable DC supply, or variable DC supply, which is converted into fixed DC supply. This is called chopper fed DC drives. This is called chopper, especially chopper. This switch fed to one kind of DC drive. So we may call chopper fed DC drives is any kind of variable DC switches or DC supply can carry out by DC motor, which is converted into the proper manner of DC by using the DC drives. Okay, this is called chopper fed DC drives. Chopper having many classification. That classifications are buck converter, boost converter, buck boost converter, hack converter. These four classification have to say the various types of step up, step down, the combination of step up and step down, then step up with step down with step up, step down. Okay, these different categories called by these names. So first we have to see what is meant by buck converter. The buck converter is under the classification of chopper switch. This buck converter says step down converter for alteration purpose of transformer, because the transformer only used for AC supply. So DC source having no transformer. For that purpose, we have to use this chopper switch for transforming lower voltage to upper voltage, or upper voltage to lower voltage. This is rather cases for using the step up and step down for alteration of transformers, only used in DC motors. Okay, now we have to come to the point. Buck converter says step down converter, whichever voltage you gave to this chopper switch across the DC motor, that chopper switch can receive the supplied voltage, supplied step down voltage, which is converted into the proper manner of DC motor drive. The DC motor drive can receive that step down voltage across the conversion. After that, this conversion is may not properly, so we can reach and we can approach the DC motor drive for corrective purpose of that unmannerless. Okay. Then this is cyclic process to reduce the unwanted noises or unwanted losses across the DC motor drives by using the DC motor. Okay, this is common point. So we just received the exact point from this topic. Buck converter is step down converter. This is used for DC motor. And then boost converter. Boost converter is one kind of chopper classification. Boost converter says, or boost converter applicable for step up voltage from the down voltage. Okay, minimum voltage which is given to the DC motor, that minimum voltage carried out by the DC motor, which is converted into maximum voltage, that means step up voltage. This is properly used in this chopper switch by varying the gate pulses across that chopper switch used by SCRs. Okay, finally, unwanted or losses can occur. That losses will solve by this DC motor drive. Okay, finally we will get a proper DC. Okay. Then we have to move with buck and boost converter. Buck converter is step down converter, boost converter is step up converter. Those converter can have to conject in the same application to step up rather than step down. Okay, so it's very special case to using this chopper switches because this buck boost converter always used in high power application wherever in our India, not in India, apart from in our state and in our national, it has to spread all over world. So this is special case to allocate their condition of buck and boost. Okay, come to the point. Buck and boost converter at a time, the application or specific cadre needed a down voltage or up voltage. By using these switches we can convert down from up from down. Okay, this is relevant switches and user friendly switches to produce a proper output by the way of chopper. After that we have to use the proper output of DC which is given to the DC motor. Then DC motor can receive the chopper switch output and run properly. Finally, the DC motor produced a proper output. If may not a proper, we can move with, we can receive the DC motor drive. We can just connected the DC motor drive for correct their unwanted or mishaps of output voltages. This is chopper fed drives classification controlling process. It has Louis converter also, but Louis converter rarely used many more applications. So apart from the Louis converter, we have to use these three converters or sequentially buck converter, boost converter, buck boost converter. Huck converter or also rarely we had used. Okay. Now we have to discuss the chopper fed DC drives. The chopper fed DC drives is DC to DC converter suitable applications. Suitable application in the sense specific applications. If we need a step down voltage from the high voltage, we just connected one kind of buck converter from this chopper fed drives. That chopper buck converter can applicable to reduce their down voltage. Okay, normally it has to operated at high frequency because there is no alternative supplies. So it always just move on with high frequency. So smooth relationship given by this chopper fed DC drives. Then it has some current operation. Just imagine and just remember in first unit we had been seen four current operation in AC side. Okay, four current operation says forward motoring operation. Did you remember all what I'm saying? Did you remember?